Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you will learn about the send message node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The send message node allows you to send messages from one Catenis virtual device to another and have these messages recorded to the blockchain. This node can also send a message requesting a read confirmation, making it cryptographically provable that the receiving device has read the message. Now let's take a look at the Properties panel fields. Add a descriptive name of your choice to the name field that will help differentiate this node from others of the same type on the Node-RED workspace. Set a previously configured Catenis virtual device in the connection field or configure a new virtual device. In the Target Device ID field, enter the device ID of the device you wish to send the message to. Check the box in the Product Unique ID field if the ID you just supplied is a Product Unique ID. Catenis Flow will automatically encode the content you send into one of three types you designate: UTF-8, base64, or hexadecimal. Deselect the Encrypt checkbox if you want your data to be logged in clear text. You can choose to disable off-chain messages and send a standard message instead by unchecking the off-chain message checkbox. Catenis Flow supports two different modes of storage and adds automatic detection based on content size. The storage mode can be set in the storage field. Auto mode will automatically detect the size of the content you are logging, and if the content is 75 bytes or less, it will place the content in a Bitcoin transaction. If the content is above 75 bytes, it will create a signature hash of the content and place the signature hash in the Bitcoin transaction and place the content on IPFS. The embed setting will force the content being logged to be embedded within a Bitcoin transaction. If you select the embed setting and the content is above 75 bytes, Catenis Flow will return an error message. The external setting will force the content being logged to be hashed. Its hash will be placed within a Bitcoin transaction, and its content will be placed in external IPFS storage even if the content is smaller than 75 bytes. Indicate whether you wish to send the message with the read confirmation capability enabled in the read confirmation field. This will record the target device's read event to the blockchain and send a notification of confirmation to the device sending the message that the message has been read. The notification is sent in real time and requires that a notification channel is active. The async checkbox forces the content to be logged asynchronously and is useful when handling content that is large, typically above 10 megabytes. Now let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the send message node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. Now, go back to the same link where you got the example flow and copy the example JSON object, which you can pass into this flow to see how it works. Note that you'll need to modify the target device ID in the JSON object. Replace these hash signs with your own target device ID. Now pause this tutorial to explore this flow on your own. In the next video, you'll learn to create this flow from scratch. Excellent! After watching this tutorial, you should understand send message nodes. The true power of blockchain is only just now beginning to be realized by developers like you, using the Catenis second layer protocol to develop decentralized applications that will define the future of digital devices and systems. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to use the send message node in your own flow.